Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Wendy Literal with Creation Depot, and today I'm going to show you how to make a zip file in Windows very quickly. So this is really easy. So all you need to do is when you're in your folder that you're working on, go ahead and highlight the items within that folder if you're trying to just select certain things. I'll show you an easier way to select the whole folder and have everything in one folder next. So select the ones that you want to do, you right click, and you pop down to send to, and then compress zip folder. And what it'll do is it'll compress everything, put it in a zip file, and then you just name the file, we'll just call it Wendy. What if you want to select everything that's in a folder and have it actually zip within a folder so that when you open up your zip file, it's not just a listing of files, it's just one listing of a folder, right? Like if you want to zip the folder itself. So how do you do that? You go to your desktop. Well, in my case, I go to the desktop. I'm going to right click on my temp folder. Just ignore this one. This is for something completely different. You're going to right click on the folder that you're working on, temp folder, and then you're going to go down to send and then compress file. And what that will do, Wendy with folder, right? If you double click on it and you look at the contents within the zip file, it's going to have that temp folder selected. So I hope that was pretty simple. It's not that it's complicated. It's just you got to decide kind of how you want to organize your files. Like if you're getting ready to send stuff to a client, do you want them to go within a folder? Like maybe you have multiple folders, and you want to zip the whole folder, or do you just want to send them like individual files? So all it is whatever you have selected is what's going to get zipped. So I hope that's been helpful. If it has, please say thanks, Wendy, in the comments. It actually really helps the videos grow. Also, subscribing also really helps. So if either one of these things has helped you out, I appreciate either one of those actions. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys. Bye.